Welcome to the Baroda Institute of Technology Postgraduate Diploma Programs in Distance Education. These one-year, industry-oriented diplomas, including PGDCA and PGDFM, are designed to fast-track your qualification with flexible, job-oriented learning for working professionals and ambitious graduates. What exactly is a postgraduate diploma? These career-focused, short-term qualifications provide specialized knowledge and practical skills quicker than a full master's degree. They are ideal for professionals and students seeking to upgrade skills, change careers, or enhance job prospects while continuing their work or studies. The Postgraduate Diploma in Computer Applications is a one-year program for any graduate, focused on mastering IT and software industry technologies. Key subjects include programming, database management, and web development. Career opportunities span software development, data analysis, and IT support, with competitive salary packages and pathways to higher education like MCA and MSc. 𝐂𝐿. The Postgraduate Diploma in Financial Management is a one-year program for any graduate, focusing on financial planning, banking, and corporate investment strategies. Core subjects include financial management, corporate finance, and risk management. Graduates can pursue roles such as financial analyst, investment advisor, and finance manager, with attractive salary packages and paths to advanced studies like MBA Finance and CFA. Why choose distance learning at BIT? Our flexible learning approach allows you to study anytime and anywhere, with no mandatory daily attendance. We provide comprehensive printed books and digital resources, along with structured assignments and online academic support. This structure is perfect for working professionals, offering a career advantage with increased salary potential. Ready to apply? The process is simple. Apply online at www.bitbaroda.com. Call or WhatsApp 9328-994-901 for counseling support, and prepare your graduation documents for verification. Limited seats are available for this session. Enroll now and take the next step in your professional journey.